I'm really interested in how the world works. Growing up, I took a lot of things apart. I broke a lot of things, and being here on the UW Bothell campus allows me to pursue breaking things and then also learning how to fix them and make them better. I was looking at 2 other colleges, but I chose UW Bothell for the smaller, tight-knit community. Even though it's not the UW Seattle campus, it's still the same level of education. It's one of the best that you can get in the state. Even though you're graduating from the UW Bothell campus, your diploma will still say the University of Washington. That name is really valuable to a number of different employers. Just so that I can safely heat up the ethanol on a hot plate, and then I'll see if they... I'm the first in my family to graduate from university in the United States. So I basically knew nothing about the entire college process when I got here, but there are a lot of people and departments and staff that are willing to help. You're not alone as a student when you arrive on this campus.
It's safe to assume equilibration.
Because there is such a diverse group of students, it's very easy to find a group of people that relate to you. I think that it's really scary to reach out and try and find gaps in skill and knowledge, but because I have such a strong community to fall back on, I've been able to expand my skill set significantly more than I expected. For fun, I like to go to the Collaboratory, our campus makerspace. I'm gonna try it on this one.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. You can walk in and basically know nothing about 3D printers or CNC and ask a staff member to help you, and they'll help you through whatever project you present to them. I decided to pursue engineering because I'm a very hands-on person, and so I like to do things that aren't sitting at a desk. And also, I learned fairly early that making things also means that I'm able to help people. Lots of opinions.
That's still big.
There's too many hands in the frame.
It actually could be.
A very big motivation for me is being able to present people with a solution to their problems, especially people who aren't as fortunate as I am. It does. When I first stepped onto this campus, I was a lot more reserved and hesitant to do more than what was expected of me. I just kind of showed up to classes and then I left. But over time, I strove to go find new and different things to do. UW Bothell offers a large variety of clubs that relate to different majors and also different hobbies and activities, which I think is really cool. Currently, I'm the president of the Eco Car Club. There we go. The Eco Car Club is a student club focused on creating, designing, and building a very fuel-efficient vehicle, as close to street legal as we can make it, to compete in the Shell Eco Marathon. Corners as possible, and make sure you have as many kind of curves. We're working on putting UW Bothell on an international stage and create lasting impact in the vehicle industry. Throughout my 4 years, I'm most proud of all of the groups that I've been a part of. I think that my time on campus is visible. That was a big focus that I had throughout my time here, is to create more opportunities and more visibility for people like me. Diversity is really important, especially in the STEM field, because as women, we are fairly underrepresented. Being able to see somebody that looks like you or has a similar background to you makes an individual feel more important. Actually, one of my officers that we've elected for next year, she told me that she felt comfortable pursuing an officer position in our club because she saw that I was the president. And that made her feel like she would be able to kind of make her mark in STEM. And that made me feel really proud.